Okay, so y'all requesting it. We gonna watch it. Cause all I saw is Purple Jet, and so I'm gonna do that. Rainstorm. Brian's McKnight.
But we just gonna play. We'll play. Then we'll talk.
Rainstone. Yeah, turn that ish down.
Purple Jet. Oh, look at his name.
Turn away, and the storms growing inside. 'Cause I have to spend another day without you in my life. Tell me, ooh, babe, I gotta find a way to keep the sky up there from crying. I don't wanna miss you tonight.
좋은 아침이야 기분 확실히 좋아 no doubt about it 안개 없는 아주 화창한 날씨 거울 속 내 모습처럼 looking good good no 좋지 않아 no 조금씩 밀려오는 먹구름이 위를 가려 내 방울이 떨어져 눈가에 흘러미가 늘 그려져 Hold up 지금 뭐라 했어 주체할 수 없이 몰아치는 바람에서 휩쓸리고 싶지 않단 내게서 멀어져 경관기적인 곳 You see 이게 네가 없는 맘속 세상 구경하고 싶은 가이드의 절개 매상 내가 만든 폭풍에 결국 나는 죽어 그게 나의 good night yeah 난 다시 good morning
Am I gonna see somebody?
A mic. There's a mic.
Hold up. Nice. Hold up. Right.
And the storms growing inside. 'Cause I have to spend
Who this dude? Am I gonna see Purple Jet?
without you
Got a
in
tattoo?
my life. Tell me,
He's
baby,
skinny.
A little thing.
away to keep the sky
Tiny.
up there from crying.
He's concave.
Miss you tonight.
Oh, it is a disaster. 어쩌다가 나 이런 꼴이 됐어. 알고 있는 사람이 때문에 대답했죠. Tell me, then how to take it back to how it should be now. 세상 모든 아름다운 것은
Why am I not seeing him?
사라지는 거라지만 그게 바로 이곳일 줄은 몰랐어. You got me losing my mind. 난 무너지고야 한다는 걸 알지만 내 맘이 그 우환에 one last try.
I hear him, but I don't see
듯한
him.
하늘 아래 초라하게 우산을 꺼내봐. 소용은 없겠지만 이렇게라도 원하면 못 견딜 테니까 네가 있던 그 자리 멍 하니 쳐다보니 while the sky's falling.
You gonna sing along? What is he doing? Is he like
Lips are
going like
bothering
this?
me.
Look like he was doing like a fishing thing.
Storms growing inside. 'Cause I have to spend another day without you in my life. Tell me, ooh, babe, I gotta find a way to keep the sky up there from crying. I don't wanna miss you tonight. I don't wanna miss you tonight. I don't wanna miss you tonight. No, so whatever it takes, whatever I gotta say.
Inside of me.
Don't wanna break up, take a second life. No, I don't wanna
A lot of things to say.
I don't wanna miss
Who are you though?
I'm not taking a break. I will rest until you know. You know. You know.
But he got hands.
Clavicles.
And the storms growing inside. 'Cause I have to spend another day without
It's
you
in really
in
bad.
my life.
It's like hair in the booty.
Babe, I gotta find a way to keep the sky up there.
He's so skinny he has to have abs. What is he not? Like we all have muscles there. He has to have a muscle. You can't be that skinny and have no muscle. Well, actually you can, but
You.
Earth, Wind, and Water. I thought we were going to, because you can't do EWF, because that'd be wrong. Earth, Wind, and Fire. Earth, Wind, and Water.
Y'all knew this was gonna happen. Why didn't y'all warn me that I wasn't gonna see my baby? I'm hurt. Yo, bro. Why? Okay. Let me not be too rude. I like the song. I do.
I like the song a lot.
Thank you, Brian McKnight. Thank you, Purple Jet. Thank you, Sonny, for the song. However, I didn't see anybody in this video.
I'm trying to understand, because these lyrics.
Who the spinny man?
These lyrics are suggesting some stuff. I'm just watching a dude spin without a shirt.
And
with a shirt.
And then some, and then,
with a hat.
And then he's got a bandana on his head. I mean, he's got all the style like in the world going on around here.
The workers keep
with
the sun.
Fishy lips. But I don't see... I heard him. I heard my baby. I heard him. I heard him. I heard him. But I did not see him. You see the issue that I'm having here? And you know what? I have no excuses. If y'all wanted people to spin, y'all could have had Brian McKnight spinning in LA. You could have had Sonny spinning in Seoul. And you could have had freaking Verbal Gent spinning somewhere in Incheon. Okay,
y'all
it's not like this video couldn't have happened with all three of them there.
Once. Just
2 minutes of spinning in gray in some weird clothing without them speaking. I would have worked.
Okay?
I would have been okay.
And y'all could have done color splashes
with their eyes closed. Verbal Gent looks good at all angles. And I would have been okay. And you gave me nothing.
You gave her nothing.
You gave me a beautiful typography video, very beautiful lyric video.
It's a lyric video.
Sorta, kinda. Who is this dude?
I don't know.
And for all y'all requesting it, you knew damn well he wasn't in this video.
Why you gotta tease her like that?
Y'all so wrong.
Why y'all got to tease her like that? See, I had an inkling that this was gonna happen. I saw a little snippet, and I'm like, this dude's spinning.
I knew the collaboration was gonna
hopes.
happen.
I had hopes that maybe.
Because they were talking about it earlier in the year that it was gonna happen.
Yeah.
At the first AMF concert, they said it was gonna happen. So I knew.
True.
But I couldn't get a video. You know how nice that would have been? The one K-pop collaboration with an artist that I actually enjoy. I don't like when Teddy Riley gets his hand on K-pop. I'm gonna say it. I don't.
I like my What Is Love. He produced that. I like my EXO's What Is Love. I'm not mad at that.
That's
And
one.
his Rainia's people love that Dr. Feel Good Make Me Feel Good song. I ain't mad at Teddy. You can put your hands on it again.
No. I don't like to get his camera stuff. I couldn't get a video. I'm done. I like the song.
Me too.